Welcome to our botanical garden. I am Kiran Ghotkule, Assistant Professor in Botany at Indira College of Arts, Commerce, Science. Today, I will guide you through our beautiful botanical garden. Let's go. In this botanical garden, we have planted 177 plant species and more than 300 varieties. And we have created the different section as per the herb, shrub, trees, climbers and lianas. Like the first section we have, that is the palm section. Second one is the grass section. Third one is the rose garden, where we have planted variety of the roses. The next section is with the orchid, where the exotic and native fruits generally we have planted. And after that, the next section is the peculiarity of our garden, that is the nakshatra one and the rasi one. Next section is zodiac garden. In this particular garden, we have planted the trees as per the constellations, and this particular garden is giving the knowledge about Indian tradition and the plants which we can use in the Ayurvedic medicine also. Coming ahead, next section is angiosperm and gymnosperm section, where we have planted flowering and non-flowering plants. The flowering plants are attracting the honeybees and butterflies, while the gymnosperm are purifying the polluted air. Here we are in the spice section, where we have planted Garcinia, curcuma, nutmeg and the clove, which are giving knowledge about spices which we are using in our daily life. Coming here to our butterfly garden section, where variety of butterflies are coming to collect the nectar and complete their life cycle. As you can see, we have variety of medicinal plants. One of them is the Sauropus androgynous, that is multivitamin plant. The leaves of this plant we can use to boost our immunity. Last is our medicinal plant section, where we have planted variety of medicinal plants which we can use to cure diseases. Students pursuing botany and environmental science gain hands-on experience by observation and working with the plants.
Hello, myself Kanish from Indira College of Arts, Commerce and Science. As a student of botany and environmental science, this botanical garden has played an important role in my academic journey during project on sustainable ecosystem. I found this place quite useful for collecting data on native flora. Eco-friendly practices employed here taught me how human intervention can coexist with nature. I owe special thanks to Botany Department of Indira College of Arts, Commerce and Science, and also to all the sponsors TomTom and Nisarg Raja Mitra Jivanche for creating this beautiful learning hub.
Hello everyone, I'm Eni from East Africa. When I took admission to Indira College of Arts, Commerce and Science, I was so amazed to see this botanical garden and the variety of rare and medicinal plants showcased here. It's not just a green space, but another lab where I could learn plant taxonomy hands-on. Thanks to Indira College of Art, Commerce and Science, TomTom and Nisarg Raja Mitra Jivanch for bringing this invaluable research to our campus. It has deepened my understanding of plant biodiversity and its importance to our ecosystem.
On behalf of Indira College of Arts, Commerce, Science, I would like to thank TomTom and Nisarg Raja Mitra Jivanche for Green Campus program and this wonderful botanical garden, which will definitely help to connect the student and upcoming generation to the nature.